By 2030, one skill may become more valuable than coding, engineering, or even artificial intelligence itself. That skill is marketing. Think about it. Every product you buy, every app you download, every brand you trust, every video you watch, every election you follow, every charity you support, someone influenced that decision. That is the power of marketing. For decades, marketing was often misunderstood as advertising or selling products. But the future tells a completely different story. Marketing is becoming the science of understanding people, predicting behavior, solving problems, creating innovation, and building meaningful relationships between businesses and society. In the age of artificial intelligence, where machines can write, calculate, analyze, and automate, one question becomes more important than ever: who will understand people better? Because while AI understands data, great marketers understand humans. That connection is everything. And that is exactly why the marketers of tomorrow cannot be educated using the classrooms of yesterday. So imagine it's the year 2030. You arrive at the world's most advanced marketing school. At first glance, it doesn't even look like a university. There are no rows of students copying notes, no endless PowerPoint presentations, no classrooms where everyone learns exactly the same thing. Instead, every student is welcomed by their own AI professor, an intelligent mentor that already understands their strengths, weaknesses, career ambitions, personality, creativity, and preferred learning style. No two students receive the same education, because no two future marketers will solve the same problems. This is not simply a business school. This is where the future of marketing is created. Welcome to the world's best marketing school 2030. Every building on this campus has a purpose. The Consumer Psychology Center reveals why people make decisions. The AI Marketing Laboratory predicts future market trends before they happen. The Neuromarketing Center studies attention, emotion, memory, and buying behavior. The Digital Content Studio produces campaigns using artificial intelligence, virtual influencers, and immersive storytelling. The Global Innovation Hub connects students with companies, entrepreneurs, and researchers from every continent. Learning here doesn't begin with textbooks. It begins with curiosity. Instead of asking students to memorize theories, professors challenge them to solve real business problems. One team helps reduce food waste through behavioral marketing. Another designs sustainable brands for global companies. Others build AI-powered startups, test advertising campaigns using eye-tracking technology, or create virtual shopping experiences that feel almost real. Every assignment has a purpose. Every project creates measurable impact. Artificial intelligence is everywhere on campus, but it is never the final decision maker. Students learn how to work with AI, question AI, improve AI, and most importantly, use AI responsibly. Because the marketers of tomorrow won't compete against artificial intelligence. They'll compete alongside it. The classrooms themselves feel alive. Holograms replace ordinary slides. Mixed reality replaces traditional case studies. Students walk through virtual supermarkets to understand consumer behavior. They negotiate with AI-powered customers. They test new products before manufacturing them. They launch international campaigns without leaving campus. Failure is encouraged because every mistake becomes another lesson powered by intelligent feedback. There are no ordinary exams. Success is measured differently. Can you solve a real marketing challenge? Can you create value for society? Can you understand customers better than anyone else? Can you combine creativity, ethics, technology, and strategy? If the answer is yes, you graduate. This school believes the future belongs to those who never stop learning. Students graduate with far more than a degree. They leave with an AI portfolio, global certifications, industry experience, published research, international business projects, startup experience, and perhaps most importantly, the confidence to solve problems that don't even exist today. Because by 2030, many of tomorrow's marketing careers have not yet been invented. The next generation will become AI brand strategists, consumer intelligence scientists, digital twin designers, marketing data scientists, virtual experience architects, prompt engineers, ethical AI consultants, and leaders capable of guiding businesses through a rapidly changing world. This school doesn't simply prepare students for employment, it prepares them to shape the future of business itself. And perhaps that is the greatest lesson of all. The future of marketing isn't about selling more products. It is about understanding people more deeply, using technology more wisely, building businesses more responsibly, and creating innovations that improve lives around the world. The question is no longer whether marketing will change, it already has. The real question is, if you had the opportunity to study at the world's best marketing school in 2030, would you be ready to redefine the future? Share your thoughts in the comments. And join us in the next episode as we step inside the AI marketing laboratory to discover how tomorrow's marketers will predict customer behavior before customers even know what they want.